What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, it's the best credit and money channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M. No rags, just riches, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, The Hussle Family, Turn Motivation into Means, Dog Pound Exotic Pups, Goosebumps Horror Stories, Sleeping with the Rain, Milwaukee Made King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, and King Hussle Live. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or a video and make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. Man, that traffic on the other side is crazy. What to do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, my real Hussle Nation Empire family members. And we are back at it again with the gems. I'm back at it again with the sauce. You know I'm back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you're tired of being a zero, you ready to be a family hero? Listen up, take a seat, get your pen, get your notepad, let's get to these gems, because y'all already know every time I drop a video, I got some information that's going to help you win, all right? And in today's video, I'm going to drop some real gems. There's a lot of people out there that's trying to figure out how they can get some funding for their business. There's a lot of people out there trying to figure out how they can get thousands and thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars, without using the bank for their business. Now, when it comes to business funding, when it comes to business loans, business grants, anything on the business side, there's different ways about going to get funds. Now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about something called crowdfunding. And crowdfunding allows you to be able to get funding from peer-to-peer or private investors without having to go through a bank. I know a lot of people have bad credit. I know a lot of people got a lot of different situations that's hindering them or stopping them from getting any type of funding for their business. Now, when it comes to getting funds through a crowdfunding group, there's sometimes you don't even have to pay back the money. And it's basically like a GoFundMe for business. You can literally raise funds for your business and not have to pay it back. So, we're going to break down the logistics and the magnitude of how to build your business, how to structure your business, and how to start getting funds from crowdfunding groups. So when it comes to getting funds, you need to understand this. One, you need to make sure that your business is structured the right way. If your business is not structured the right way, you're going to have a hard time getting funds. So you need to have a business email, a business number, a business address, not your home address, but a physical address where you do business. Now, if you don't have a physical place where you do business, you need to get you a virtual address. All you have to do to find a virtual address that fits best for you and your business and your financial situation is go on Google and type in virtual addresses. There are a lot of different virtual addresses that you can buy. There's different ones for different states. So go search and find the right virtual address for yourself. Now, when it comes to a business number, you can use a cell phone as your business number, but having a landline as your business number is even better. So it's a lot of different places that give you landlines still. So you can go through Spectrum, Xfinity, all these business accounts, they give you landline numbers for your business number, and they also give you a domain. They give you all that. So if you get you a business plan with Spectrum, Xfinity, or any of these companies, they will give you a physical landline number, a physical domain for your business. So now you got a physical, you literally have a physical landline number and a physical domain for your business. Now, when it comes to getting a business email, a lot of people use Google, Yahoo. No, you want to have a real business email. So johnsmith@cleaning.com, a real business email. There's a lot of different places where you can get a physical business email. Now, once you do all that, you want to get your business registered in the public record. So you want to go through the Better Business Bureau and get your business registered. So when they go to check the public records, your business will pop up and they'll see you are an actual business. So then what you want to do is you want to go to ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will create you a professional business plan, because all banks, all lenders, anywhere you go is going to want a business plan. So go to ChatGPT and have it create you a professional business plan. So now that you got everything that you need structured, you need to make sure that you go to Dun & Bradstreet. Dun & Bradstreet will allow you to track your business credit scores. Now you got a Paydex score, a PayNet score, and there's a lot of different other Equifax business and TransUnion business and all that. Dun & Bradstreet will allow you to track all of your business credit scores. Now, once you get your Dun & Bradstreet, you can start building your business credit. Now they have the NAV Credit Builder account that you can get, and they also have Net 30s. Net 30s are basically equipment that you can finance and pay it off within 30 days. And they got equipment that you can pay off in 60 days and 90 days. But Net 30s help your Paydex score faster and improves your Paydex score faster. CreditStrong.com also has a credit builder for your business that will improve your Paydex score. So you have a PayNet score and a Paydex score. Your PayNet score, Credit Karma will, I'm not correct, Credit Strong will improve your PayNet score. So, matter of fact, CreditStrong.com will improve every other business credit score but your Paydex score. And Net 30s will improve your Paydex score. So getting that credit builder account from CreditStrong.com is perfect. So now that you're building your business, now you got a business email, you got everything that you need. It's registered with the 401 National Director, you know, public records, all that good stuff like that, right? So you need a business bank account. Now, a lot of people just have LLCs and EIN numbers. No, you need a LLC, an EIN number, and you need a business bank account, and you need to be generating funds in that account. So go to a smaller bank or a credit union, because we all know, after so many videos, we all know that credit unions and smaller banks help people with bad credit get major loans and major funds. So go open up a bank account with a credit union or a smaller bank. Deposit funds into that checking and savings account. Start depositing funds into that account on a regular basis. So now that it's going to show on paper that your business is generating funds on a regular basis. It's profiting on a regular basis. It's generating money on paper. So now that you have a business bank account and you have checking and savings and you're depositing money into your account. Now, if you have a job, you can just deposit some of your money into your business bank account if that's what you need to do. There's a lot of different ways to fund your business bank account, but make sure that you're putting money in there on a consistent basis, because we all know if you get a business bank account and you not consistent with using it, they'll close it. Come on, bro, because I'm over here controlling, bro. I mean, I'm over here, bro, janky, bro. Bro, I'm recording. That's gonna copyright. We're gonna delete that out anyway. All right, we're gonna just delete that out. Hey, but bro, janky for that, bro. I'm over here trying to record. You paying that bull? Get dude up out of here. All right, so boom. So now that you got your business together, now that you got everything situated, your business together and all that, now you good to go. So now, the main thing is building your Paydex score, building your PayNet score, getting those scores up. Also generating funds into your business bank account, because when it comes to crowdfunding groups, they don't care about your credit score. They just care about your business plan and if your business is actually generating some funds. So if you can show on paper that your business is generating funds, have deposits coming in and coming out, and you know you're profiting on a sustainable basis. Now, depending on which crowdfunding group that you go to will determine the requirements that you need to get funds from them. Sometimes they might require you to be in business for 6 months. Sometimes they may require you to be in business for 2 years. Now, the crowdfunding groups that require you to be in business for at least 2 years, those are the ones that give you more money with bad credit. And they just want to make sure you are a real established business. So bank statements for the past 2 years, the past 24 bank statements, they probably gonna want you to turn into them or something like that, just to make sure that business is really making some money, because nobody wants to lend anybody money who isn't going to be able to pay it back. That's with anything in this world. You know somebody in the streets that you know somebody, a cousin, a brother, a sister, an uncle, or a friend that's always borrowing money but don't never pay it back, you're not going to want to pay them, give them money. And you know somebody that actually want to borrow some money but they don't got no job and you know they always broke, you're not going to want to borrow them some money. So that's why banks, lenders, and groups, they check certain things to make sure they're going to get their money back, because people play too much. People got all type of schemes and all type of plans and all type of blueprints to do a lot of things to get over some type of way. It's just how it is. And at the end of the day, these banks don't want to be that person that's getting over on, that's missing out on money and losing money. They want their money, just like everybody want their money. If you was a bank and you was lending out people money, you would want your money from everybody who you lent your money out to. So having all those credentials with your business, having it structured the right way, having your business email, business number, a virtual address, getting a number in the public records will help you. Getting those business trade lines will help. Bro, get me away from this car, bro. Having those business trade lines will help you, because at the end of the day, you're boosting the credit, you're boosting the payment history, you're boosting the debt, and you're showing that your business is making money and you can pay it off. So that's why you need the debt, the payment history, and the age. Now, when it comes to the crowdfunding groups, now it's a lot of different crowdfunding groups out there, right? It's a lot of different crowdfunding groups. And I'm not going to tell you a specific crowdfunding place to group or a place to go to, because like I said, there's a lot of different ones. So what you can do is, because I want to teach you guys how to start actually using y'all resources. Like, y'all be wanting people to put links in the bio and this and that. Learn how to utilize y'all resources, because a lot of people don't utilize their resources and they want somebody to make a video on this and make a video on that. Like, y'all basically want somebody to make a video on how to live life. No, it's your life. At some point in time, you got to do your own research, you got to do your own study. So I'm the person that's going to have y'all doing your own study, because once you learn and get into the habit of doing your own study and doing your own searches and figuring things out on your own, you'll get ahead in life, and you'll learn a lot more, because you're actually learning bits and pieces that's coming together, right? So what you need to do is go to Google. Once you go to Google on your phone, on your desktop, laptop, it don't matter, wherever you can search, you need to type in crowdfunding groups, or there's crowdfunding groups. Once you type in crowdfunding groups, a lot of different crowdfunding places are going to pop up. Now, once they pop up, you're going to go through the list, and you're going to search different ones and different kinds, and whichever one works best for you. Now, if you're somebody who does not have your business structured, please do not go on these crowdfunding groups and try to apply it, don't get approved, and then get mad. Like, man, no, they don't. No. Make sure your business is structured. Make sure you got your business email address, all that, the business plan, all that, because nobody is just throwing out money willy-nilly. Just like all those people who got them PPP loans, they had everything structured the right way, which allowed them to get the PPP loan. So when it comes to getting funds or anything like that, you can't half-ass anything. You can't skip any steps. Like, a lot of people be lazy when it comes to doing steps. Like, a lot of people, man, I don't feel like doing that. I'm gonna just do this and see if it still works. Like, no, you gotta do exactly what it says, because if you don't, it's not gonna work. And then y'all complain and cry, man, this don't work. Don't nobody want to hear that. Oh, don't nobody want to hear that. So just being somebody that's following instructions step by step will get you far in life when it comes to anything and everything. So make sure y'all actually listen to what I said in this video. Getting your LLCs, your EIN numbers, credit strong, business trade lines, getting net 30s. You can Google net 30 accounts, and a lot of different places will pop up that offer net 30 accounts. And all you're doing is buying products with your financial products, and you got 30 days to pay them off. And if you pay them off within a week, it'll report to your pay debt score fast, and it'll be a lot. It'll help build your pay debt score to 80 better. Like, you'll get more points. It'll impact your business credit score more if you pay it off faster. So getting that 30s, like if you do that for a whole month, you can get a 80 pay debt score in a month and start getting major funding for your business. Like, people just don't. It's a lot of people with a lot of different situations, a lot of different people out here with a lot of different financial situations and different funds and things that they can do. So I understand everybody can't spend this and that right now, and a lot of people got a lot of things going on, but bits and pieces at a time will always help. Bits and pieces at a time will always help you grow. If you can get a $30 trade line, do it. If you get a $50 trade line, do it. If you get a $100 trade line, do it, because one trade line at a time will blow your mind. Meaning that you can add this trade line and you can start improving bits and pieces. So you might got a 580 credit score. You add that one trade line, now you got a 620 in 2 months, 3 months. Payment history and age and debt on your credit score then went up. Like, little stuff like that helps. And a lot of people don't understand that, right? So just pay attention to the trade lines that you're getting, understanding that every trade, you don't need every trade line. Everybody credit report is different, so pay attention to the trade lines that you need before you just go start buying trade lines and wasting money. And just structure your business the right way, follow the steps, and you'll start getting major funds for your business. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there would be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. And y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems is $1,000. But for limited time only, I'm doing them for $600. Yes, $600 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $600 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there, all right? No screenshot, no reply, no 21 questions, and please do not yo me. Also, make sure y'all tapping in and getting these YouTube faces automation channels created. Well, yeah, $250 for 2 videos, $500 for 5 videos, and $1,000 for 10 to 12 videos. I'm gonna teach y'all how to make it. Also, make sure y'all tapping in with the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems, $6,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money will meet in person. Meet me out here in Texas, Wisconsin, wherever I'm at, wherever at the time. So make sure y'all tapping in on that. Also, make sure y'all tapping in with my credit mentorship for starting at $2,500. I will be hands-on assisting you on cleaning your credit, building your credit, establishing personal and business credit, and helping you get major loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, and becoming successful in life. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with the credit mentorship. Also, make sure y'all tapping in. Go tap in with my Telegram New Age Credit. Not New Age Credit Repair. Millionaire Network. Let's all get rich together. Also, make sure you still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women streamers, and gamers, streamers, content creators, all that. All right, so we're gonna do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, traveling, networking, making money, and having fun. So tap in, you ready to win. Also, make sure you go follow my blog channels on YouTube, King Hussle Live, Milwaukee Made, King Hussle 2.0, Milwaukee, No Rags, Just Riches. Make sure you go follow my clothing brand on IG, Boostler Department, that's Hussle Department of Friends. Dropping new joggers apparel and kids apparel real soon. Make sure you go follow my horror story channel, Goosebumps Horror Stories. Make sure you go follow my rain channel, Sleeping with the Rain. Make sure you go follow my Twitch, King Hussle Live. We turn it up over there. We live streaming, we IRLing, we dual streaming, we having fun, we turn it up. And make sure y'all stay tuned in. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit the all notification bells, share these videos, like these videos, run these comments and these views up. Let's get in the algorithm. Let's keep having fun. Let's keep getting these gems. It's going to help us win. All right, so with that being said, it's your boy, King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I will definitely see you at the next lesson or video. Peace.